has announced the date of election. The schedule, I will reiterate for everybody's knowledge. The date of issue of notification is on 16th of March, which has already been issued. Last date for making nomination is 23rd of March. Date of scrutiny of the nominations is on 24th of March. Last date for withdrawal of the candidatures is 26th of March. And date of poll is 9th of April. And date of counting is 4th of May. So this is the schedule that has been that has already been informed by ECI. And as far as the RO is concerned, we have one RO for Ronghang, 111 Ronghang STLAC, Sri Dhubajyoti Dev. He is going to sit in room number 5, DC office. And the RO for Amri, 112 ST constituency, she is Kilintale Jeme. She is going to sit in room number 6 of the DC office. It has already been notified. We are expecting the support and coordination from all the quarters, including political parties and media, in ensuring that MCC guidelines are fully complied with and we are able to conduct the election in peaceful manner. And at this point of time, there is no identified sensitive area. If any in the ensuing time, we will get to know.